it's Camille, and today I wanted to share with you my Halloween costume. So for this year I'm going to be Coraline, and because I don't have the same clothes as she has, I'm going to DIY them. So it's very easy. To begin, you need her iconic raincoat, which is yellow, like this. Her yellow boots. Mine are lime green, but it's kind of the same. And a black pair of jeans. So this one is very easy, but it's not the one that I want to make because there's no DIY in this one. So I'm going to make her blue sweatshirt with white stars, but because I don't have it, I'm going to DIY it. So I took this blue sweatshirt and I'm gonna add these little stars that I just cut from a white piece of fabric, like this one. So I don't know if you can see, I drew a bunch of stars on it. And with this outfit she's wearing boots like this. Actually they are blue in the movie, but I don't have blue ones, so this will do. And also to complete the look you can add black buttons, like big scary one, or maybe little ones like this. This is very scary, but I don't know yet how I'm gonna put them on my eyes, like a monocle? No, it doesn't work. Maybe this one. Not sure. So now I'm going to show you how to make the blue sweatshirt with white stars. Let's go. Et ben c'est parti! So you'll need the blue sweatshirt, white fabric, templates, a needle and thread, and some scissors. So you just use your templates to draw on the white fabric, and then you just have to cut it out so that you have a couple stars. So now you just take your blue sweatshirt, and put stars where you want them to go. Now I know what you may say. The main thing about Coraline is that she has blue hair. So, as you can see, my hair is not blue. Well, not yet. Because I think that I'm going, well, no, I'm sure that I'm going to dye my hair blue. The thing is, I don't know if it would work because I already dyed my hair blue in the past, but I had much lighter hair. So I hope it will not turn green. We'll see about that. So I hope it will work, and if it doesn't, I will not upload this video. Yay! It turned green. Anyway, it's okay, let's just pretend that it's blue. Well, there's even some parts that are not entirely dyed anyway, and my whole neck is like blue, but... So I just finished the sweatshirt. The night looked like this, and so our whole look is complete. Let's try it on.
Baby, sois les
So now I just have to wait for someone to invite me on their Halloween party. Well, I guess it's gonna be my costume for next year. Bye! Ah, j'ai oublié d'éteindre, pardon.